Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here, in for Rob. It is Monday, September 29th, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so I've got the 1 minute chart on the NQ here, folks. And those of you that were in the WealthCharts live trading room with me today, we had a great time as usual. And so when we opened up here, folks, when we opened up right here at 9:30, we started heading higher, as you can see. And again, my rules that what I teach in the live training room is from 9:30 to 9:40 Eastern. Okay, I don't like to take a trade. I like to let the markets do its thing. Then I look for trades after 9:40 Eastern. So during the initial push up here, folks, getting close to news, I did not take that. We consolidated. And then again, right after the news, we had some opportunities here. So, right at the 10 o'clock news, this is something that we talked about, but the risk being right after the news. And then we pull back. And this was, again, what I was looking for. See the TRP cross, Laguerre, had. We look for this flat bottom. So this was an entry I took. I grabbed 42 ticks in front of everybody on the NQ and got out. So a nice, solid trade there on the NQ. Okay. Then we went through consolidation up until 11. But what I mentioned was as I closed out the room, I said, okay, so looking at the volume profile here, this is where we were at 10 a.m. Okay, right here, consolidating at the VAH. And so what I said was if we start continuing getting these flat top, after 11 o'clock, we could look for shorts, probably back to at least the point of control, eventually maybe coming down to that gap. So at the time, I'm doing this video right here at 12 o'clock Eastern. We're continuing down, but then so based off of that, if you took a look here after the 11 o'clock, we had two potential triggers short. Again, right here, when you've got the TRP cross, Laguerre combo with the flat top Heikinashi, the exact same setup here, with the exception of the Laguerre was already heading down. So these two setups. The cool thing is when you're managing it, especially if you're trying to fund some of your prop accounts, right? You just wait until you get a green dot and then you're out, okay? Or you're funded. And then that's, again, what we look to do. So, again, if you want to learn exactly how I do this, folks, looking forward to next week. So www.wealth365.com/join Keith. Again, to register for the Wealth 365 Summit. 6 days away, folks. Super excited. It's going to be just an incredible week of education, an incredible week of some phenomenal updates we have within WealthCharts that are coming. You will not want to miss. So come see us. Again, www.wealth365.com/join Keith. And I hope to see you all next week. Take care.